Hello, my dear teacher. I'm Cristian Ramirez. I'm 26 years old. I'm a student in degree Bachelor in English as a Foreign Language. Today I'm going to talk about the tongue twisters. The number one is Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, a pack of pickled peppers of pepper pick. If Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, what is the pack or pickled peppers Peter Piper pick? Betty Potter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If you put in my butter, it will make my butter bitter. But I beat up bitter butter with my butter bitter. So this way bitter Betty butter brought a bitter of bitter butter. Number how much wood a woodchuck chop if a woodchuck could chew wood? He would chuck. He would as much as he could, and took as much wood as would chew. Wood if a woodchuck could chew wood. Number 4. Didn't you see the fleets? Didn't you see the fleets? At least the knees could sneeze, a feet and preach the fleets. Number the three thieves throw that the thread, the throw out Thursday. Okay, I consider that this activity is for developing the pronunciation and difference the any words and any vowels and the sound that are they are slow, short, and large. This activity is necessary for better the pronunciation of words and letters and consonants, vowels, and other situations for the pronunciation. Thank you very much, my teacher.